case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit, Summit Petroleum Corporation found themselves at odds with the United States Environmental Protection Agency. The nature of the dispute revolved around applying the term adjacent to Summit's natural gas sweetening plant and sour gas production wells, which the EPA classified as a single stationary source under the Clean Air Act Title V permitting program. According to the EPA's interpretation, functional interrelatedness, not just physical proximity, was enough to classify otherwise distinct facilities as adjacent. The initial decision by the lower court led to this appeal, with the court denying a motion to intervene by the American Petroleum Institute, API. The EPA, on its part, stood on shaky ground, confirming their jurisdiction over Summit's facilities, but failing to definitively determine if the plant and wells constituted a single source for Title V purposes. On appeal, the Sixth Circuit Court disagreed with the EPA's interpretation, ruling that it was unreasonable and inconsistent with the historical regulatory approach of the agency under its Title V plan. The court argued that the term adjacent implied physical closeness rather than an abstract functional relationship between different facilities. Consequently, the court vacated the EPA's decision, which had grouped Summit's sour gas wells and sweetening plant into a single and major source under its Title V permitting plan, citing administrative cost and burden. The court then remanded the case back to the EPA, recommending a review of Summit's situation with emphasis on physical proximity as key to determining what constitutes an adjacent source. At the heart of this case is the legal definition of adjacency and its implications on industrial practices, with the outcome dealing a significant blow to the EPA's interpretation and setting a precedent for future similar disputes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.